Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to mute someone in the IMO app. Whether you are dealing with unwanted messages or just need a break from notifications, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a clear and simple way. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Once the app is open, navigate to the conversation with the person you want to mute. Next, look at the top right corner. Click on these dots to open the menu options. Then, from the menu, find the option that says Mute and turn it on. This action will stop notifications from this user without affecting your ability to receive messages from them in the chat. You can always go back and turn the mute option off if you want to start receiving notifications again. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.